This is letter A. A has three basic sounds. And when A has bar line on it, the sound is A, A, A. And the animal name is ape, ape, ape.
The aging ape was out of shape because he ate and ate and ate. Apes live in Africa and Asia. Apes do not have tails. Apes can use both hands and feet for picking up things. Apes are covered with coarse black, brown, or reddish hair, except on their hands, feet, and faces. Their main foods are fruits and vegetables. Apes mainly live in tropical forests.
Aging Ape. Just one more bite, said Aging Ape. I'll stop when I've eaten one more bite. Now those around knew that Aging Ape had eaten quite a few bites already. They had watched him change his shape, week by week. 1 pound here, another pound there. Aging Ape was sadly out of shape. Still, when he ate, he always took the biggest piece. Just one more bite, he'd say. A week passed. When Aging Ape sat down in his chair one day, it broke. My, he said, I didn't realize I weighed that much. He pulled up a stool, sat on it carefully, and said, Please pass the cake. Would you believe that when the cake was passed, he took the biggest piece again? Look at Aging Ape, said his friend. He's getting out of shape. One day, Aging Ape's friend brought a big plate of bananas. Have one, his friend said. Just one, said all the little apes. They knew how much Aging Ape liked food. There's a big one, said Aging Ape, reaching for the one near him. Then he saw one that looked bigger. No, I believe I'll take that one, he said. Just as he touched it, he saw one underneath that seemed even bigger. No, I'll take this one, he exclaimed. Aging Ape, said the host, your manners just aren't too good. Don't you know you should take the first piece you touch? And you should take the one nearest you, said the little ape. Aging Ape looked embarrassed, but he kept on chewing. The next day, when Aging Ape walked into the dining room, he was so out of shape that he couldn't get in the door. Hey, I can't get in. What shall I do? I'll starve to death, cried Aging Ape. We'll pass the plate to you, said the little apes, but you'll have to promise not to take the biggest serving. Aging Ape looked hurt. I wouldn't do that, he said. You know it's not polite. It's not polite, but you do it all the time, Aging Ape. That's why you're so out of shape. Aging Ape couldn't believe his ears. Do you mean, he said, that I eat like a pig? Well, no, said the apes, not really. The pigs we know have pretty good manners. Do they? Yes. Yes, they never take the biggest piece. Do they take the piece nearest them that's on the plate? Always, said the little ape. Do they take the first piece they touch? Asked Aging Ape. Without fail, said the little ape. I'm the only one. Aging Ape was almost crying now. Well, said the littlest ape, everyone makes a mistake once in a while. That's how you've got out of shape, said another. You ate and ate and ate. Aging Ape looked sad, but he had learned his lesson. I must remember to learn and use good manners, and then I will get back in shape. 3 rules I must remember are 1. Take the piece nearest me on the plate. 2. Touch only one piece I take. And 3. Don't take the biggest piece.
Let's learn A sound word pictures. Cake, cake. Train, train. Rake, rake. Gate, gate. Rain, rain, nail, nail, crane, crane, clay, clay, flame, flame,